Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on What's Cooking. Today on Perfect Eats. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma and I make easy breezy recipes for those of you guys who are new to cooking. Today we're gonna make a very quick and easy, very simple bok choy oyster sauce with some garlic. So let's get started. So we're obviously gonna need a couple of bok choy, some minced garlic, we're gonna have a drizzle of sesame oil as well as oyster sauce. So we're gonna start by cutting off the ends, the stems of the bok choy, and we're gonna give it a very quick rinse right there. And in boiling water, what we're gonna do is we're going to basically just blanch the vegetables. That's right, guys. So let's leave the vegetables for around 2 to 5 minutes. Now this technique is going to prevent it from being too overcooked. So just drain the excess water, leave it on a plate, and let's start on to our sauce. So on a low flame, just drizzle some oil, and once it's hot, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. It's finally time to add in some oyster sauce, and you guys don't have to add in any more salt or whatsoever. It's all done. It's time to drizzle over a bok choy and add in some sesame oil, and you're finished. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Be sure to like and subscribe to Perfect Eats on YouTube, and now Perfect Eats is on Instagram, so be sure to follow us. Bye guys!